Making peace within a community is a challenge that requires the efforts of many community members. To help promote peace, you can start by developing good relationships with your neighbors and getting to know individuals from different backgrounds. This can give you a new perspective on the problems facing your community. Volunteering in various community organizations, such as anti-violence programs or local shelters, can also contribute to promoting peace. Attending community events and local government meetings allows you to get involved, voice concerns, and stay informed about changes in your community. Visiting your local library and contacting historical societies can provide valuable insights into your community's history and how it has evolved over time, which can help you take action in meaningful ways. Learning from your lived experience and the research you conduct into the history of your community can help you to organize events or meetings with the goal of raising awareness for key issues and encouraging peace.